ex-serviceman?
No, I actually, in respect of my son, I have never expected any bad news.
Okay.
In respect of my son, I've never expected any bad news. Not even when the wife was panicking the whole day that she hasn't heard from the husband. I said, no. It cannot be any problem. Until, so one day when I got a message on phone, I dropped to the ground suddenly. My knees gave way and I dropped. But the message to me was that the news is flashing on the social media and we don't want the woman to see it. So please dash down and come and manage the woman. So that dawned on me and I said, Kai, there's a more serious thing to do for me, a more serious task. I have to gather myself, which I did quickly, set off from my residence in Afia and got to Arakan Messier and rushed to go and sit with the woman. She was all over me, wanting to know what has happened to the husband. I said, no, I have heard about him and that he's in a critical condition, but he'll be all right. And she went to her knees and started praying. Oh my God. Prayed.
Right before you?
Yes, she prayed. And I prayed with her. And I said, it will be well. Luckily, not long, their pastor, Maxwell's pastor, also arrived. And we kept vigil till the following day.
So that was, an